COVID-19, we're all at home. I hope everyone's safe. Let's make a fabulous cup of joe. The first thing I do every morning is make coffee. It's my first time. I have here the Grosh Milano 9 espresso cup Moka Pot. It makes just over 2 small cups of coffee, which is perfect for 2 people. The first thing you want to do is boil hot water. And the reason you want to fill hot water here is because you want to cut the brewing time. When you put cold water here and you place it on the stove, it exposes coffee to heat over a longer period of time, which results in bitter coffee. So depending on the stove that you have, you may need to turn it on ahead of time. But if you have a gas stove or the ones with the burner, you don't have to. Because I have an induction stove, it takes a lot longer to heat up, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on right now. The key to an extra fabulous cup of coffee is having freshly ground beans.
I'm going to use this oddly shaped apparatus that is way too big for my tiny kitchen and grind the beans.
Pro tip, you want the grind consistency to be between an espresso and a drip or AeroPress. You want a coarser size. I think it has to do with bitter coffee. It takes longer for the water to extract the flavor. Thanks for our friends at Cavi Cafe for hooking us up with an Ethiopian roast. Now let's just take a sniff, because this is my favorite part. So good. So now we're going to pour in our boiled water, and you want to pour it right below this valve right here, and you can see it on the inside as well. Put the freshly ground coffee into this little cup. You don't need to press on it, that's only for espressos. This is perfect. Drop it in here. Remember to screw this on tightly. Now you want to place it on the stove, and you want to put it on the edge because this handle is made of plastic and you don't want to burn the handle or yourself. And I can already hear the water. Pro tip, while you wait for it, you want to heat up your mugs with hot water. So you'll see that it gets a little bit crazy, like zoom. You'll see it kind of going little nuts everywhere. So this is where you want to, right here, close the lid, turn off the stove, and run it under cold water. Or do this. Why you have an ice bath or you want to run this under cold water? This again has to do with bitter coffee. You want to have the coffee as fresh as possible, so you want to cut the brewing time. It's like blanching broccoli, you know? You want the broccoli to be green and vibrant, so you put it in the ice bath to stop the cooking time. So all that's left to do is pour the coffee. And what we personally like to do is actually add more boiled water into these cups to make Americanos pretty much. There you go. And that's how we make coffee every day with our Moka Pot. I really want to try some now, but it's really hot and I don't want to burn myself. Alright, taking a sip and burn my tongue. Wow. Immediately you get the fruity notes.
Why is it bitter?
Why is it bitter? And that's very typical with Ethiopian coffee. And this is a lighter roast, which is just very smooth, which is my favorite part, the fruitiness and the smoothness. as you can see, if you have everything prepped and ready to go, it takes no time, maybe 5 minutes. For you coffee snobs out there, let me know in the comments below what I did wrong and how you make your coffee with the Moka Pot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time when I make coffee with a French press. What am I looking at? So today I'm gonna use this oddly shaped, ow, ow, that could be a blooper. I touched the kettle. I put makeup on today for the first time in 3 weeks. What am I doing with my hands? A special shout out to our friends at our favorite bar around the Horn. We miss you. Ugh.